Hello, my beautiful Hair Lounge community. Angelina back in the Hair Lounge. Have you ever wondered how in the heck celebrities have ridiculously shiny hair all the time? And you do the shine treatments, you're putting gloss on your hair, and it just doesn't look shiny? Well, stay tuned and I'm going to show you how to achieve shiny hair that lasts. What is their secret? It's all about glossing treatments or glazing or glass treatments. There's tons of different names, but it just means adding a demi-permanent glaze over the top of your hair. Many of you who have ever had their hair colored or highlighted, you know your hairstylist majority of the time will do a toner on your hair. Toner is normally a demi-permanent or a semi-permanent treatment over the top of your hair. But did you know that we just have clear? So if you are really liking your hair color, say naturally you have a pretty brown tone to your hair, but it's just not super shiny. Or if you're older and you notice with age, your hair lacks luster. It lacks that shine that you had when you were younger. Hair ages, unfortunately, just like we do. So a lot of times it will have less of a sheen or a shine to it. And this is where the glazing treatments are perfect to add shine to it. Remember, it's only gonna last you roughly 4 to 6 weeks, depending on how often you wash your hair. The less often you wash it, the longer it's gonna last. You are able to do this in between your hair colors. So if you're noticing, maybe your blondes just aren't as shiny as they used to be, or maybe your brunette color, you like it, it just doesn't seem like it has the shine that you once had when it was first colored. You can come in and just do a glossing treatment. It's super quick, super easy. Put it over the top of your hair color that you have, and it adds instant shine. So let me show you the things you're going to need to achieve this super shiny, amazing hair. As many of you know, I use Paul Mitchell Color, so you are going to need processing solution. Then this is the clear that I was telling you about. As always, I will link everything down below. That way it's super easy for you to use these on your hair. And you need something to put it in, so that way you can put it on your hair. So you need a tint bottle. You can do this on dry hair. You do not have to do it when your hair is wet or after you shampoo. You can, but I always feel when your hair is dry, it seems to absorb it a little bit more compared to when it's wet. So when your hair is wet, there's already water in there, and so the toning or the glossing treatment can't get fully into that cuticle because it is wet. So I would suggest doing this on dry hair, which is why my hair is dry today. And you guys, if you have not hit the red subscribe button, do it right now. It's a perfect time. And if you like what you see and the knowledge I'm throwing at you, give this video a thumbs up. Pretty please. It really helps with the YouTube algorithm. All right, back to our treatment. You need a cape. This stuff is super runny. It's more of a gel consistency, so it can get everywhere. So make sure you are protecting your clothes. We are gonna apply our cape, and then I'm gonna teach you how to mix it. Super easy. Equal ratios. So depending on how much hair you have, I have a good amount of hair. It's starting to get a little bit long. So I'm gonna do 2 ounces of my clear. In my tint bottle, you'll notice on your tint bottle, you do have measurements on there. So we're gonna do 2 ounces of the clear, 2 ounces of the processing solution. So like I said, gel consistency. Now come in with our processing solution and bring that all the way up to 4 ounces. Now you're gonna mix it up. So I'm gonna have to take my hair tie out, apply it all over my head. The nice thing about this particular color is it suds up. So it's almost like if you were gonna apply shampoo to your hair. So if you're doing this at home, honestly, I would suggest doing this right before you get into the shower. Normally, I will stand in my shower, put it over my hair. That way I'm not getting it all over the floor. And then when it's time for me to actually shower, after 20 minutes, I can go and rinse it out. So it makes it super easy. Obviously, I'm not bringing you in the shower with me today, so I'm gonna just do it right here and then shampoo it. Now we have everything all mixed up. Let's talk about application. The easiest way for you to apply this to your hair is sectioning your hair. So you're gonna do 4 different quadrants, like all my other previous videos that I've ever showed you about coloring your hair, and you are going to brush it through after you get it through. You wanna make sure it's completely saturating your hair. You don't have to be perfect. It doesn't have to be exactly 4 equal sections. It is just all about really pouring it on your head. When you're applying it, you do not have to use gloves because it is clear. It's not going to stain your hands, but if you're worried about it absorbing, put gloves on. I'm not going to. After I get it on, we're gonna comb it through. So here we go. I always suggest doing your roots first, so that way you're making sure you're getting it at the root first, and then you can smush it through the rest of your ends. Once you get it completely applied, that's when you're going to take your brush and brush it in, just to be sure every single hair strand has that clear glazing treatment on it. Now you just clip it out of the way and move on to this other side, doing exactly the same thing, applying it to your roots and then pulling it through the ends. See, this is why I do it in my shower, because you do get it everywhere. If you have super thick hair, you can separate those pieces just to make sure you are saturating it completely. I will tell you a tip to be sure you're getting it all the way through your ends is you can feel when the gloss is on top of your hair, if it has not saturated all the way through, you will feel dry spots. Since this is a very gel-like consistency, it's very slick. So if you're running your hands through your hair and you're noticing some really rough spots, that means you're not getting it all the way through to your section. So be sure, that's why I brush it all the way through and I run my hands through it. That way you're able to double, triple check your application. Now to the back. Obviously when you're doing it to yourself, it is a little bit harder, but that's why the point of this tip bottle is super easy. That's what's going to separate your hair to make sure you're getting it all the way through to your scalp. As you can see, I only have roughly about 2 ounces left, and I have a lot of hair, so I am going to mix up a tiny bit more. I'm gonna do 1 ounce of the clear and 1 ounce of processing solution. That way I don't run out. You wanna make sure that you're using enough. That way it gets all the way throughout your hair, because you don't want a really shiny, glossy looking side and then the other side doesn't look shiny. So don't skimp on product, and when you're applying it, just really load that gloss on. Since the back of my hair is a little bit thicker, I'm gonna do this section straight down the middle, and then I will separate these into 2 different sections. So depending on your hair thickness, you may need to do that as well. Again, the back, it's all really about feel. So you squeeze the bottle all the way down that part, and really just smush it in. Once you're able to get it on your roots, then you can pull this hair to the side and do it very similar to what you did to the front. Okay, last section. Take whatever's left over and really just use all of it. And as you guys could see in my before kind of look, my ends are frizzy, they're super, super dry. And that's why this glossing treatment is perfect, because it's going to coat my hair and just add a lot of shine to it. So then it doesn't look frizzy and fuzzy and dry and brittle. This will add kind of a protective coating over the top of my hair. And that way it won't look dry. If you've ever noticed that you do like those glossing treatments, or you're using the super skinny, or you're doing the bonding oil, after you wash it out, it doesn't look shiny anymore. This is actually going inside of your cuticle and filling more the holes in your hair shaft. And so that way it is shiny, it is smooth looking. And so you don't have to add as much of the glossing treatments or the bonding oil onto your hair if you have this on. Obviously 4 to 6 weeks again. So remember, you may have to do this, every couple of months. Now we're gonna let it process for 20 minutes. You can put a shower cap on your head. And we're just gonna wait, and then I'll show you how glossy and shiny I look after. 20 minutes have passed. I shampooed and conditioned my hair. I haven't brushed it yet, but you can already see the shine on it. And I will tell you, I do notice that my hair, normally it absorbs quite a bit of water. It doesn't really drip a whole lot, but with doing this glossing treatment, I noticed that cuticle is filled with that gloss shiny stuff, and my hair is dripping a lot more. Might be a coincidence, but I just feel like it, filled in those holes as I was talking about before in my cuticle. So now we are just brushing through, and I am not going to put any type of styling product on my hair. I don't want to do any additional things. That way you guys can see it dry and know that it's just the gloss that is adding all that shine to my hair. So let's get to rough drying. Well, what do you think? Look at how shiny it is. You guys have seen me do treatments on my hair before with like Olaplex or using their Bond Smoother, and you can tell this is very shiny, just like if I was to use a treatment on my hair, like with the Olaplex or the bonding oil, or if I put super skinny on my hair, and it lays a lot smoother. Like if you look at my ends aren't as fuzzy looking, and it's just shiny all the way from root all the way to ends. And this is without putting any product on my hair whatsoever except for that glossing treatment. So the nice thing about this, I do not have to put those products on my hair. It just naturally looks like this after I shampoo and condition my hair. It just looks glossy without having to do any extra steps to it. And this is going to last me 4 to 6 weeks, depending on how often I wash my hair. So this is how those celebrities are able to achieve that super glossy and shiny hair all the time. just do a shine treatment. Look how easy it was. Apply, 20 minutes, rinse, and you are shining. I'm gonna come back, I'm gonna curl my hair, come back and show you kind of before and after since my hair was curled before. This is what we look like curled. And look at the shine all the way throughout, from scalp all the way to ends. Super quick, super easy. 20 minutes, all you need is 2 products, 1 tint bottle, and you can achieve super shiny, glossy hair just like all those celebrities. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Go ahead and subscribe right now if you have not done it. And if you liked this video, give me a thumbs up. If you have any questions whatsoever, as always, please leave me a comment down below, and thanks for watching. We'll see you all next time. Bye-bye.